Hey y'all, it's Stephanie. So I know this isn't my normal introduction, but we have a Tumbler video today. So in today's video, we are going to do a Tumbler tutorial. I know it's been a long time. I'm still decorating for Christmas, so we're not gonna do that background. We're gonna do it in here. But it's so nice to see y'all, and I hope y'all enjoy the video. Let's get into it. So give this video a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you know when we upload the next video. We have our cup. We've already sanded it and put a base layer down. Now today we are going to be using Mod Podge. So we're going to be using Mod Podge. This is the paint that I use. It's the 2-time Ultra Cover white and matte. And I like this one because it takes one coat and it does very well. We are going to be using Kitty Craft's Disco Glitter in Ultra Fine in Disco, and it's holographic silver. And then we are also going to be using the Hemway Ultra Sparkle Glitter in pink. And put a layer of Mod Podge all over the cup. Even this Mod Podge out a little bit. Alright. And we are going to start with the silver disco glitter, and we are going to take this at a diagonal angle. But this is only the first layer, so we don't have to worry too much. All right, we will be back. I'm a little under the weather, as you can tell. We're gonna go ahead and dust this off. And now we're gonna give it a thin layer of Mod Podge. And then on this side, we're gonna do the pink first. Making sure we overlap just a little. And right there, I'm just blending those harsh lines. Okay, let that dry. So we are back, and we are going to dust off all this excess glitter. And then on this round, we're gonna go just over the pink, because as you can see, the pink, well, actually we're gonna go over the whole tumbler, but we're gonna really focus on getting some more pink glitter laid down because the pink's a little bit translucent. All right, that will be our last layer of glitter. Next, we are gonna put our first layer of epoxy on it. So once that dries completely, we will come back. All right, so here we got the cup, and we are just going to do a layer of epoxy. So we're going to let this sit and turn until it's completely cured, and then we'll come back and put on the design. All right, so we're back and we have our design made. And as you can see, our first layer's on there. We did sand down some of the more rougher edges for final coating purposes. So we are going to take our design and we are going to do this cheetah / leopard print design, and we are going to find out where we're going to put our first layer, and I'm thinking I want it like right here. So, and this part's the only part that I'm going to stick together. These I am going to individually place. I got some bigger and some smaller. Alright, so let me go get some resin mixed up and we will be back. Alright, so here we are. We got 60 milliliters of resin and we're just going to go ahead and get started spreading this. Making sure that we get all the edges. And there you have it. So now we're going to let this cure and we will be back with the final result. And there it is. There's the cup that we made. I ended up putting a couple on the bottom. Super cute. Super smooth. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this one, hit the subscribe button down below. And thank you so much for watching. Y'all have a good week. Bye.